How did Harry Potter get down the hill? Running. JK. Rolling. Good one, right? Good one, right?
And he's in Gorman proper right now. You see that truck right there. Oh, I see. Well, they've got the right lanes coned off right here, but not sure why that is. Look at this. He goes right around that car, and but he's really going slow right now. We're not sure why. Maybe getting into some construction-related traffic here. That's what it looks like. No, this is a real mess right here. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. He hits that one semi. It's certainly, oh, look at this. Oh, my goodness. That.
As Dahlm is catching a little bit of air, and that was enough. Over 1.5 times in midair, and the car shatters upon impact. Look at that. And he walked away. Meanwhile, the race, 10 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's fucking already coming to me.
Oh, fuck! Oh! He'll get you, man. It's the YouTube moment, man. Get out of there.
Fuck hell.
Wow, you're a good one, aren't you, buddy? Yeah.